Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Add Road Facility Layer function under the Road Scene module. This function allows you to generate model facility layers from point vector layers according to the selected model. Clicking the Add Road Facility Layer button will open an interactive dialog box. The first row of the combo box will list the current project's point layers. Select the target vector layer, such as the tree layer. Select the corresponding model symbol from the tree, and symbol name will be automatically filled in the respective fields. You can also search for the corresponding model symbol by entering the symbol code in the Symbol Query field. After confirming that the information is correct, click OK and wait for the generation to complete. All points in the tree layer will be displayed using the tree model symbol in the view. Note, the generated model size corresponds to the symbol size within the symbol library. That concludes the introduction to the Add Road Facility Layer function. Thank you for watching.